Uziphendulele umlisa obizwa ngoJaco Pieterse enkundleni zokuxhumana ngokuthi abantu bemhlasele bembiza ngokuthi uyena uthisha omkhulu kaCwecwe. Uthi usehlaselwa abantu abaningi yena ngodaba angalazi futhi angazange azalenze.
How are you guys? I just want to introduce myself. I'm Jaco Pieterse. Being falsely accused and targeted and threatened on TikTok, social media, Facebook, you name it. Because of the principle in the Western Cape with the Kwekwe case at this stage. So yeah, since Friday night I've been receiving multiple DMs and threatening messages, and yeah, so that's how my weekend was started. Not planned, started. But yeah, so I don't even look like him, or I don't know. Would love to hear what you guys think. But yes, yeah, I'm not gonna elaborate on anything or name names or whatever. But yes, you'll definitely hear from me. I'll keep you guys updated. Jaco Pieterse out.